Matongoretio ni spika wa bunge ya bũrũri Moses Wetangula. Atongoria matiganĩte na makiria kuma gĩtarũ kĩa Rift Valley nĩ mahũrĩire ndebe wathani wa President Ruto na makiria makiuria ikari kunyita mbaru itĩna rĩa kerĩ rĩa President Ruto.
Rais, hiyo kelele ya chura isikuzuie kunywa maji kama we ni ng'ombe. Wewe fanya kazi yako, Wakenya wenyewe watakujudge in the best way they know.
Hiyo ni borojo yao. Sisi tunajua katiba yetu inasema rais anachaguliwa mara mbili.
The president deserves a second term without any much noise. Kumi bila nini? Break. Na kanisa mtuombee kama viongozi.
Oho magiukirira mung'ethaniro makiuga riri no inegene mari nario na ritikugiria makinyanirie tafarira iria marabanga na iria mabangite gukinyaniria.
Kunaweza kuwa na mmoja wawili hapa wenye wanakunywa pombe na kupiga kelele, au hawakosi kila mahali. Hata kwetu wako wengi, wachache unaona kwa soko. Sema hii, ukiuliza wenzetu kwa nini hamtaki William Ruto aendelee, anakujibu utasema one term.
Oho makiuga President Ruto ni akikinyanirie tafarira nyingi cia mwanya kwa ihinda ikuhi gukira atongoria aria mari utongoria-ini na hau kabere.
Has done in 2 years and compare with what Uhuru Kenyatta did in 2 years in his first term, compare with what Kibaki did in his 2 years in his first term, you will have an objective and a fair conclusion that William Ruto has exceeded expectation in the term that he has worked within the last 3 years.
Mwena wake munene wa aruti a wira thirikari Felix Kosgei akiuga marita thirikari ni megukorwo magithikiriria na gutia matua na mwerekera uria umite bunge.
We are ready to ensure that each and every direction that is given by Parliament, whether in terms of oversighting issues of investment, issues of expenditure, issues of recruitment and any other activity that the executive is carrying out, we are going to ensure that we hear and we adhere to the directions of
Maritie hindi igongona ria harambe kanitha-ini wa Catholic mwena wa Kapseret kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ikua Wamboshi.